My name is James Mason with Transparent Traders. In the last video, I showed you exactly 100% what it is that I search for, how to find it, that makes me a successful trader, and to find these low float, low outstanding share breakouts before they happen, before anyone is even talking about them. So there's one more piece of this puzzle that you must know to complete this entire DD package that we have for how to select a stock to trade. Let's look at the chart. Here's the ticker that we did in that video. This is ticker NTN, and I'm not trading this, but I broke this one down because of the technical setup. So what we would do, we would run through our list and we would just accumulate a group of just stocks that meet this criteria. We'd write them down, and the next part is to now search their filings. So go to Google, type in SEC filings, and you'll see it right here. The Edgar page will pop up, click that link, and we will search each ticker symbol. So NTN, here it is, it pops up. So the first thing that I want to look for is how active is their news? How active is this company with their filings? If there isn't any news, and you will run across this, you'll find the perfect setup and it won't have anything for filings at all. That doesn't mean that it doesn't have potential. It's just, it might take longer. But finding one that has the setup that you're looking for and seeing how active its filings are would set you up more so for greater potential for it to break out sooner rather than later. So we can see that this ticker, it's very active. I'm going to look to see the last time that they reported anything. So this is, pretty soon based off the recording of this video. And I just kind of want to go through and see what they're getting their hands into. Now, I already know about this company, and one of the reasons why I wouldn't trade it is their weird merger that they're doing that just doesn't make sense. But there's no point of explaining it on this video because it would take forever. But I'm going to look through here, and really one of the first filings that I want to see is a Form 4. I want to see the insider buying and selling. I just kind of want to see what they're doing on inside. So I would just scroll through here, and if I saw a Form 4, I would look into it and just kind of get an understanding on, do these insiders feel that their value is going to drop or increase based off of their buying or selling. And then pretty much everything else, I just look at filings for earnings overall. I don't really care. We ain't talking about like a large cap here. But I would go through here, and if you don't know what these forms are, just Google search it. It'd be a lot quicker to do that than for me to explain it in videos. But that's all I do. I'll go through here, search these forms, see what's going on with the companies, and every once in a while, you can find those diamond in the rough trades that the market overlooked, to where you can find that insider buying, and you'll look back on the chart and you're like, wow, this thing never ran. The setup is here. And that is the stock that you want to trade. So that's the entire package here. This is what you call doing your DD, your due diligence. Everything from this video on back to the very beginning one, that's DD. I do this for every stock that I look at. Keep that in mind. If you want to take trading serious, this is what you have to do.